8 trillion. That's the projected value of global e-commerce market by year 2027. So if you are dreaming of starting your own e-commerce business and don't know where to start with, then stay tuned, because in this video we are going to reveal some of the best e-commerce business ideas that you can use right now to build your e-commerce business. So if that sounds interesting, let's dive in. My name is Ankit and you are watching Brainstorm Force YouTube channel, the makers of the Astra theme. Now before we begin, I would like to mention here that apart from the e-commerce business ideas that we are going to mention in this video, we have a complete blog post where we have covered some other secret business ideas that you can use right now to start your e-commerce business. So if you want to deep dive and learn more about these business ideas, then make sure you check out our blog post that we will link in the video description below. Now when we say e-commerce, selling physical product is just one small part of it. We can divide the complete e-commerce business into 3 different categories. Number 1 is physical commerce, number 2 is digital commerce, and number 3 is service commerce. So we are going to cover all 3 business categories in this video. Now let's make this video a little interesting. Make sure you use the comment section below and let us know which e-commerce business idea you want us to create a dedicated video on. And we would love to cover that in full detail in our future videos. So let's start with our first category, and that is physical commerce, which is the most conventional and the traditional form of e-commerce business, in which you have a physical tangible product which you are bringing online so that people can buy it from anywhere. And here comes the idea number 1 for selling physical products, and that is starting your dropshipping store. Now dropshipping allows you to sell products directly without holding any inventory. It's a streamlined approach of e-commerce where you partner with suppliers who fulfill orders on your behalf. So you don't have to buy any product, you don't have to hold any inventory. You just need to partner with someone whom you can send orders that you will capture on your e-commerce website, and then your partner will do all the order fulfillment work. Now if we talk about the demand of dropshipping business, the market was valued at approximately 249 billions in 2023, with the projected estimate to reach 724 billions by 2027. Now because it has a low barrier of entry, dropshipping is highly competitive space. But on the other hand, it is one of those e-commerce business which requires very little investment to begin with. And to search for product partners, there are various websites like AliExpress. So this is just one website where you will find product vendors mostly from one specific country, but you can also do the research and find some local vendors as well. So depending upon how much profit margin you are getting, you can choose your vendor accordingly, and then you can start your dropshipping store with that vendor. Idea number 2, selling toys and games. Entering the market with kids' toys and games taps into a timeless demand of products that entertain, educate, and engage young minds. And as a father of 2 kids, I can assure you that you will never have enough toys and games for your kids. And the best part is people buy toys and games for their own kids as well as for gifting purpose as well. So it's definitely a fun category to begin your e-commerce business in. And if we talk about the demand, the global toys and games market size reaches 130 billion in 2023. And if we talk about the competition, then surely it's a highly competitive category, but you can do well if you do your research well and target very specific group in the beginning. And just to give you a small example, Legacy Toys is a great example of an online toy shop. And not just for kids, you can start your toys e-commerce business that will target to adults as well. You can sell board games, you can sell action figures, and there are a lot of options depending upon what target audience you choose. Idea number 3, starting a meal delivery business. Now the meal delivery business caters to many types of customers, from overbooked professionals to health conscious folks to busy parents. Meal kit deliveries offers convenience, ready to eat meals right to their doorsteps. So if you are someone who loves to cook and you want to start your business in this category, then meal delivery business is just for you. And if we talk about the demand, the global meal delivery kit service market size is expected to grow at a compound growth rate of 15.3 from 2023 to 2030. And there is a strong demand of fresh, home-cooked and chef-cooked food among consumers, especially millennials. But before you dive into this business, you might need to check local laws and regulations. You might need to get some certifications and licenses as well. And you also need to understand the meal preparation, safe food handling and logistics supports to make this business idea work. And I'm sure you are familiar with websites like Factor, which is a popular meal delivery service that caters to many dietary needs. Now it's time to discuss our second category, and that is digital commerce. And this one is really interesting. Imagine you have an e-commerce business where you don't have to touch any physical product, you don't have to pack anything, you don't have to ship anything, and the product gets delivered to your customer within just a few seconds. And also sometimes you don't have to worry about returns as well. Yeah, that sounds like a dream business, but it's truly possible. So rather than selling a physical tangible product, you can sell digital products as well, which could be an ebook, which could be your online course, maybe a plugin or a software. So basically you need to turn your expertise or skills in some kind of a product, and then you can go ahead and sell that online, and that product will be delivered to your customer in no time via email. So here are some of the e-commerce business ideas for digital products. And number one in this list is becoming affiliate marketer. This is like a drop shipping but for digital products. Just like dropshipping, you don't have to create your own product, you don't have to worry about deliveries and support. All you have to do is just find a product which you truly believe in and you have expertise in, and then you can use various ways to market it online so that people can buy it from you, and then you just earn a commission from that, and that commission will come from the product maker or the product vendor itself. All you have to do is just find a product in which you are truly passionate about and you truly believe in that product, and then you can contact the vendor on their website to become their affiliate partner, and then you can use various marketing tactics to promote that product, and if anyone buys that product using your unique affiliate link, you will earn a commission from that sale. Now, if we talk about the demand of this category, the affiliate marketing industry grew approximately 14.3 billion globally in 2023. And if we talk about the competition, of course, it's a competitive industry. Just like dropshipping, it got a very low entry barrier. So anyone can become an affiliate marketer, choose any marketing strategy to promote the product, and start this online e-commerce business. And just to give you an example, websites like Making Sense of Cents is a top tier affiliate site that's been around over a decade. And creating a blog like this is just one of the way of promoting any affiliate product which you have partnered with. So if you want to start selling digital products, then becoming an affiliate marketer is one of the easiest way to begin with. Idea number 2. Building a niche website. Now this one is my favorite one. By creating a niche website, you are able to create your own little space in the world of internet where you are solving someone's problem or someone's questions, which means your website is targeting to a very specific set of visitors, and that's why it's called a niche website. So if you are someone who is passionate about creating content, especially in terms of blogs, and you have a little bit of knowledge of search engine optimization, then you can do really well in niche website category. Now just to give you an example, I created a niche website back in 2019 and I was working on that site for around 1 year. I was constantly adding content on it, and then in 2020 I sold that website for $4,000. Now selling a niche website is just one way of earning money. You can continue posting content on your site and you can earn money via ads, via sponsored posts, or maybe you can sell your own digital products on it, and the possibilities are endless. And if you search online, you will find various examples of niche websites. For example, The Way to Coffee is a good example of a niche site, and as mentioned before, it's targeting to a very specific audience. Idea number 3. Create online courses. Now, if you want to monetize your skills, your expertise, the best way to do that is by creating a digital online course. Now, this course could be in form of a video or it could be in form of a text. But if you do video courses, they will definitely going to sell better as compared to a text one. So no matter what your expertise in, you could be a coder, you could be an online marketer, you could be a designer or calligrapher. If you can package your entire skill and experience in a 1 to 2 hour of a video course, then this can become a really good business. And the best part about creating a digital course is that you don't have to sell it just on your website. You can list your video course on websites like Udemy, Skillshare, and various others. And if we talk about the demand, the e-learning market was valued at $3.99 billion back in 2022. Now, as a difficulty level, I would not say that this is going to be an easy one. It requires a lot of efforts in creating video content like this. You need to record the videos, you need to edit them, and then upload them on websites. But all of this you need to do only once. Once the course is ready, all you have to do is just do the marketing for it. Along with that, you can refer to websites like Skilljet, which is a great example of site offering online courses. Idea number 4, print on demand. Now this one is a great field for those who wish to sell physical products, but they don't want to get into the hassle of inventory management, doing shipping and packing. So creating a print on demand e-commerce business is the one for you. And using that, you can sell products like t-shirts, hoodies, even books, and home decor products as well. So for example, if you want to sell t-shirts or hoodies, all you have to do is just upload your design onto these print on demand services website, and then they will use your design to put it on various merchandise like t-shirts, hoodies, and there's a long list of products that you can design using print on demand. So the best part is you only need to focus on designs or the content of the product that you wish to create, and rest of the product creation, inventory, shipping will be handled by the print on demand services. You can use websites like Printify, Printful, and Redbubble. These are some of the most popular websites that you can use to start your print-on-demand e-commerce business. And you can easily integrate services like Printify and Printful onto your WordPress e-commerce store as well. So it will look like a normal e-commerce store to your visitors where they can see your products and order online. But after getting the order, everything will be handled by your POD vendor. For example, you can check websites like Mid-Century Style Shop, which offers great print-on-demand products in home decor and accessory category. And if you want to learn how you can create your complete e-commerce store for selling digital products, make sure you watch this video right here. We will also add a link in the I button above and in the video description below. And now let's talk about our third category, that is service commerce. And this one is best for online coaches and consultants who wish to create an e-commerce website where they can sell their skills and services as products. So in this category, let's talk about the business idea number 1, that is for coaches and consultants. Now let's say you are a yoga instructor and you want to offer your expertise and time in a structured, efficient manner. So you can go ahead and create an online e-commerce website and use a plugin like LatePoint and use that to book appointments where you can take yoga classes and do consulting to your customers. And if you want to learn how to create such booking website using WordPress and LatePoint, make sure you watch this video right here. Idea number 2, creating a travel and activity booking website. Now, if you are someone who is in travel or tourism industry, then you can go ahead and create a website which can help people book different travel plans, and you can also offer different experiences like a weekend spa session. And this kind of websites are pretty popular among travel and technology enthusiasts. And if you can do some SEO and digital marketing, you can easily promote this kind of website. Idea number 3, selling skill services. Now, if you are a freelancer who is working in fields like content creation, video editing, graphic and web design, then you can go ahead and package your services and then create your e-commerce website to sell those skills as services online. Now, the best example of this kind of e-commerce site is Leon Content Writing Agency. Here you can see their services as package which their visitors can buy directly from their website. So if you are a skilled professional who is already doing freelancing, then you can go ahead and start your e-commerce website to sell your skills as services. So these are some of the e-commerce business ideas that you can start working on immediately. And that's not it. We have a complete list of 24 epic e-commerce business ideas that you can work on right now. And we have covered all of them in our blog post that you can find in the video description below. So I would highly recommend that you go ahead and check that out as well. Along with that, if you have any questions regarding any of these business ideas, feel free to use the comment section below and we will love to answer your questions. And once you have created your e-commerce website in any category, it's time to do marketing for your e-commerce business. And that's what we are going to cover in next video, where we will cover some secret marketing strategies that you can implement on your e-commerce website to promote it online. So if you don't want to miss that video, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. That's it for this video and I'll see you in the next one.